Spreading its wings further across the three hills, the Meghalaya TMC launched their membership drive in Pinthor Umkhra today in the presence of Meghalaya TMC State President Charles Pingrove, Leader of Opposition Dr. Mukul Sangma, Meghalaya TMC MLA George Bilingdo, along with other prominent grassroots leaders. Speaking a day after Dr. Mukul Sangma's spirited attack on the MDA government over smart meters, Meghalaya TMC State President Charles Pingrove today said, irrespective of religion, caste, creed, and color, we will bring a positive change to the lives of every person in Meghalaya. Lambasting the MDA government on education, Meghalaya TMC MLA Dr. Mukul Sangma said, our children are deprived of textbooks, uniforms, and assistance that the government used to previously provide for learning. The MDA government has deprived our children in multiple ways. They have terminated ad hoc teachers and did not recruit from the MTED. Expressing his concern about the future generation, he said, children cannot pursue vocational education in the state, compelling parents to send their children away from Meghalaya. The medical colleges in Shillong and Tura are non-existent, thereby depriving innumerable children of our state who are seeking a degree in medicine. At the event, Samborlang Dingdo, a young entrepreneur and convener of the Pinthor Umkhra constituency, revealed his motivation to join Meghalaya TMC. He said, in our state, the struggle of women is unthinkable. Meghalaya TMC as a party focuses on the emancipation of women, and this has motivated me the most to join Trinamool Congress. Also, Trinamool Congress is the only party that embodies the democratic and secular spirit of Meghalaya. Questioning the proxy BJP MDA government's intent, he beseeched, NPP has the money to promote itself outside Meghalaya, but it does not have enough to pay our teachers. Where is the revenue going? Why is the MDA government not paying our teachers? Why did they have to sleep on the streets to get their rightful salary? To secure equal opportunities in education for the youth of the constituency, Dingdo further said, there are no colleges in the constituency. When elected, we will build one college to cater to the needs of our students from poor families. While the proxy BJP MDA government continues to strategize how to retain power rather than addressing the substandard educational infrastructure, rising unemployment, and infrastructural collapse in the state, Meghalaya TMC continues to be the voice of the people of Meghalaya. With a united cadre, Meghalaya TMC pledges to work earnestly to fulfill its promises, keeping the interests of the people as its topmost priority.